Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Thank you, man. Pretty good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You have to unlock it. Oh, there you go. You're good. Are you in mine? Okay. Can I come in? Hey, what's going on? I'm Jacob Vile.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you,
I
man.
follow you.
Okay, thanks for watching, man.
You're welcome.
So, intro, what's your name? What's in here, man?
Trenton Ray. I got 4 SA318s and a 6th order on a Crescendo 17K at 1 ohm.
Okay.
Yeah, she loves it all.
Very nice. Did you build this?
No, me and my buddy did, a local buddy.
Okay.
But it's been together for about 3 years. And
Okay.
Not changed nothing at all. So.
Yes, sir. Do you know the tunings on it?
It's supposed to be like 25 and 50.
Okay.
But like I said, I haven't really messed with it too much as far as dialing it in though. So.
Okay. Yes, sir. And what are your amps wired to?
Just one.
One
It's just a single 17K.
Okay.
We did a dyno test earlier. It did 15K at 2.8.
Oh, all right.
So pretty impressive.
Yes, sir. Is there a way I can see the amp?
Yep. Awesome. It's on the driver's side back there.
Okay.
I did use the outside one, yeah.
All right. Is there anything in the back for your batteries or anything?
Nope. I had a stump wall back there.
Okay.
And, took it out.
Okay. Nice.
craziness, and it doesn't fall off. It's really low in response.
Oh, yeah.
So I like it, man.
Yeah, she loves it all.
Very nice. Did you build this?
No, me and my buddy did, a local buddy.
Okay.
But it's been together for about 3 years. And
Okay.
Not changed nothing at all. So.
Yes, sir. Thank you for showing me. Appreciate it.